Hi, grade 3. I'm Miss Iman Syed from Real Teacher Iman channel. Today, I will start Unit 2 in your book Connect Plus. But before I will go to do so, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel to send you new videos. Let's go to our unit today. Today, I will start last class. I finished Unit 1. Today, I will start Unit 2 in your book Connect Plus. Body matters. Here is this unit is about body matters. Let's go to our unit to know more about this topic. Here we have heart, we have pit, we have blood, we have growth, we have veins, we have arteries, oxygen, nutrients, skeleton, the rest, gas, living organism, chicken, liquid. Here we have pit, grow, bump, strong. I think pit and bump, we took it in related to heart. We took it in science. We took it in Discover when we say the heart pump blood to all the body. Okay, pit, grow, pump, strong, interesting. Let's go to our continue the lesson. Here is the skeleton. This is called skeleton. And these pictures refers to every meaning. Here you have bones. I think you know bones. Skills, muscles. Sorry, muscles. Attack. Elbow. This is called elbow. This is in your hand. This is called elbow. Knee. This is knee. Okay. Jaw. Brain, skull, rib, knee, bed, Okay, if we have heart in our knee, we put knee bed on like this. Okay, here is knee bed. Here we have helmet, wear, chow, protect, lift, dance, bark, climb, rock, ride, and sunglasses. Here we have hot, cold, the opposite of hot. We have layer, we have get through, stomach, teeth, skin. Teeth, the singular of it will be tooth. Okay, the singular of it will be tooth, like this, written like this. Tooth and teeth, tooth written like this. Okay, this is tooth and this is teeth. Let's continue the rest of the unit. Here we have dirt, grams, sunscreen. We put it in our body when we are on the beach. We put it in our body. Sunscreen. We have damage, top, middle, bottom. Here is some notes that related to this part. Let's read it together. We use muscles. When we use muscles, when we chow food to move the jaw, bone up and down. This is the function of muscle. Our elbow is in our arm, as we see it in the picture. We need muscles. We need muscles to what? To move the bones. We need muscles to move the bones. Our knee is in our leg. Skull protects brain and eye. Skull protects brain and eyes. Bones protect soft organ. Here we have a language function here in this part, which is be going to. Means this tense is called present continuous tense, expressing future. Present continuous tense, expressing future. When we say I'm going to play with my friend next year, or tomorrow, or anything, not next year. I'm going to be or say I'm going to be in grade 6 next year. Okay, I hope to be in grade 6. Grade 6 next year, or I'm going to travel to my grandparents next weekend or next year, anything. Okay, so here we have this tense is continuous tense expressing future form. Okay, let's read this. Let's know more about this part. Here we have in this called affirmative form and this called negative form. Let's know the difference between both. Here we have I'm going to wear a helmet. So here is affirmative form written like this. As we told you that as we told you before, we all I write it verb to be before and said and all of us know now verb to be. We are become in grade 3. I think now we all of us know verb to be and verb to have and verb to do. I think it's not difficult for us. Okay, we have I takes am, he, she, it takes is, you, we, they takes are. Okay, let's go to another one here. Here is in a negative form, we do what? Here is I'm not going to wear helmet. Or we say she isn't going to play with her friend, for example. Okay. Here we have this is the question form. Am I or are you? We say in question we're saying are you. Here saying am I. Am I going to do something? Is he or she it going to do something? And so on. Are you going? This is the question form. Are you going to wear a helmet? Yes, I am, or no, I'm not. Okay. Here is the abbreviation of is. Abbreviation of is putting apostrophe and putting is like this. This is called abbreviation. When we write an abbreviation, is or not. Okay. Here we have keywords: tonight, today, tomorrow. This is the keywords of expressing the future: tonight, today, and tomorrow. Here is the present simple tense. Let's go to the present simple tense. As we took it before in this tense in Connect, I think so. We took it before that expressing what present. I think you or grade 2. I think I don't know when I explained, but I explained more than one time. I don't know any grades that I explained it. Okay, because I explained a lot and a lot. Okay. This is not difficult. Present simple tense. When we use the present simple tense, grade 3, I hope to answer with me. We use it to describe two actions, two states. Which two states we use it in the present simple tense? In facts and habits, and scientific used in facts and habits. Okay, and routines. We use also the present simple in routines. In routines, facts and habits. It's important to know it. The affirmative form of this tense, it will be what? Like this. She likes. We're adding S to the singular noun. As we told you, I told for grade 2, I think last video, I explained for grade 2 and saying that singular likes S, but plural don't like it. Like this. We have she likes chocolate. They like chocolate. So there is a difference between the sentence and the sentence. Let's go to another one here. He washes his car every day. They wash their car every day. Here we have when the verbs ends with these letters. Okay, as we took it in the nouns, we have some words that ended with this. We end with these words, okay, with these letters. What can we do when we make a plural form or put the verb in a simple tense like this? We're adding what? We're adding es to the verb like this: washes, does, misses, goes, fixes, and so on. Note, we have I. When we have Y, I put what? I put S. When we have a vowel here, we say plays. But here, we don't say studies. We say we omit the I, the Y, and adding IES to the verb. Let's continue the rest of the lesson today. Here is the negative form of simple tense by adding doesn't or don't. We say doesn't like, doesn't, and as we told you before, that when we have does, we omit S. Okay, we don't have S when we have does. Why? Because S replaced what? Replaced the verb. Okay. Some of you saying when Miss Iman, I put doesn't or does, and adding. I will repeat it more and more again for all grades. Okay, because I know that some of you can be misunderstanding and do it. Here is likes. What can we happen if we do this? It will be wrong and it will be 0. It will be 0. I will repeat it more and more many times. Why? Because here, as we told you, that doesn't or does replace the S. So we must know this. We must know this. Okay, that doesn't omit S. Okay, let's continue the rest of the unit. Here we have Don't, but don't can't the plural subject can't take us. It's not make you misunderstanding. The misunderstanding comes in the singular way, in the singular form. Okay, here you have they don't like chocolate. There is a question here. We use does with he, she, it plus verb plus infinitive form. Do, are you with they plus the infinitive form. Let's study these examples together. Does she like? So as we told you before that does omit what? Omit is here. We can say yes she does or no she doesn't. Do they like chocolate? Yes they do or no they don't. Here we have the keywords related to the present simple tense. You have every day, week, month, ever, always, usually, often, sometimes, never. Here is a placement. Here is a placement before the verb. The placement before the verb. We put the keyword of simple tense between the verb, between between subject and verb, like this. She always wears a skirt. She is always on time. Okay. Here we have always. We have the adverb frequency of simple tense. When we say always, means the habit happened in the part by 100%. When we say never, so the habit happened in the percentage of 0%. So always means the habit happened in 100%, and never the habit doesn't happen. Okay, doesn't happen. It will be it's 0%. Let's read the adverbs of frequency. There is always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, hardly ever, never. Okay, let's go to another one here. Here we have the phonics, double O and long vowel and short vowel. We say mood. When we say I'm in good mood, okay? So here is mood, the long vowel. Moon, room. Here we have book. This is the short vowel. Book, cook, good. This is called short vowel, and this is long vowel. Let's do the activity related to this unit. The skeleton helps us move and makes us what? Is weak? Wrong. Is beautiful? Wrong. It will be what? It will be strong. We need a space to breathe. We need what to breathe? The oxygen. We took it in Discover. The space, jaw, knee, elbow is in my arm. In my arm, as we know it during the lesson, elbow. The space, the saliva, water, skill, helps break down food, breaks down food. Not squirrel, because in the head, not water, it's saliva. Okay. Space is the largest organ in our body. Which one? Skin? Wrong. Skeleton, largest organ in our body. Skeleton. Bones are space. Bones are what? Are hard, not soft. Hard, because soft can't help us move. When we space food, it goes on our stomach. When we swallow food. Okay, let's continue the rest of the exercise. No, protect soft here. Protect soft organ. Protect soft organ. Bones are hard, but protect soft organ. Here we have. Go. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. He's going to space to wear or wearing pads to protect knees. We're going to wear. Here is you use the verb to be here, verb to be expressing future. we use where. Why? Because we have to, and as we know that to must be followed by the infinitive form or the scheme form. Okay. Here we are. Are she is you going to go to school? So it would be are you. Okay, because the verb are the subject pronoun that takes are, it would be you, not is, not she. Here is she doesn't. As we told you before, that doesn't replace the s. It will be watch. They will go are were going to climb the mountain tomorrow. So here they are. Can some of you saying Miss Emmanuel? Will is the present future, but here we don't. We don't talk about will as expressing a tense in future. Here we talk about am is are plus going to plus the infinitive of the verb, that we talk about present continuous tense expressing future. Okay, Laura is going to. So the answer it will be going to do her homework. Space, wash her dress. So here is wash in the infinitive form, and this is singular. So I take what? I take can I take do? Wrong. Can I take are? Wrong. To be does. He is often is are late. So it will be here is he is often, because as we told you before that the keyword of simple tense is come between the verb and the subject is shows the answer. It will be she is often late. So okay, as we told you that always is come between the subject and verb. You say she always we say she always comes late, for example. So the keywords is come between two subject and verb. He stays, does his homework after school. So it will be what here it does. So it can be yesterday, wrong. Can be tomorrow, wrong. Why? Because here does expressing what? Expressing simple tense. Expressing simple tense. Simple tense. In the simple tense, what we can use? What can use in expressing simple tense? What can use in simple tense? Can you guess with me? Always. Okay. He always does. Okay. Let's go to another one here. I answer some of them, and the next video I will continue, okay? Because I don't want to make the video longer. Because I hope that I want to make the video shorter to listen more and more, okay? Here we have rearranged. I will answer two of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by the homework. To do it as a homework, okay? As we told you before, the rule of subject, verb, object. This is the rule. We all know it during grades from 1 till grade 6. I will write this rule. Okay. So we have a sentence consists of what? Consists of what? Subject, verb, object. Let's answer the questions dependent on this rule. Here we have the answer. It will be my dad. My dad is going to buy a car. Is going to buy a car. My dad is going to buy a car. Going to buy a car. Right. She is sorry, it's a question, not she. So the answer it will be is she. As we I would like to say something grade 3. If we have if the rearrange have in question form, don't forget to put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay, in the question form, not on in all sentences. In the statement sentence, we put a period or a full stop. In the question form, we must put the question mark at the end of the sentence. If we forget the question mark in the question form, what happen? It will be minus half marks. Okay, the sentence is not wrong, but it will be minus half marks. So we must take care when you answer. Okay, when you answer, take care. If it's the question form or statement form, when you answer, you must concentrate in the exam. Okay, so the answer it will be: is she going to the mall? Is she going? So the answer it will be. So here I replaced the verb instead of what? Instead of a subject like this. Is she going to mall? Is she going? Is she going to the mall? And what I can do at the end of the sentence, I put a question mark at the end of the sentence like this. Here we have skip, never, breakfast, my. So I never skip my breakfast. I never skip my breakfast. I never skip my breakfast. My breakfast. I never skipped my breakfast. I put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay, let's go to another one here. Here we use not here in this part. As we told you before, here we have reads. So when I make this sentence in next, what can I do? It will be Ali. I do it in wrong way. You can correct it for me. You are Ali doesn't reads. I write it in you can say, Miss Emmanuel, I write it in wrong way. Yes, I would like to write it in correct way to correct it for me. Okay, I would like to do so to correct it for me. But I review to correct it for me. Books every day. What can I do? I do this to not forget in the exam to do the correct way. You can say, Miss Iman, you are wrong. Why you are wrong? Because because you are putting S and we have does. As we told you before, that does replace S. Yes, you are clever pupils, and I'm proud for you. Why? Because you are know that this is wrong. Okay, you can't do this mistake in the exam. Okay, so the answer it will be here. I omit S. So the answer it will be Ali doesn't. Here is it will be Ali doesn't read books. Ali doesn't read books without S. Without S. Here is I omit S because I have that here. Ali doesn't read books every day. Now let's go to another question here. Here is put it in the negative form. So the answer it will be they don't. Here is they don't. I can't do mistake here because there isn't S here. Okay, they don't feel happy. They don't feel happy. Why they don't feel happy? I don't know. You can guess with me why they don't feel happy? Maybe don't have. Here we have no, Iyad doesn't like cola. So the question here it will be what? As we told you that here we replace the verb instead of what? The verb instead of subject like this. It will be does Iyad like cola? Like, I will do it in the wrong way to correct it for me. Likes cola. I attempt to do so. Here is likes. You can say, Miss Iman, you do a mistake. What is the mistake? With the S, we have does, as we told you before, that does replaced S. So you are here you have this sentence is wrong. So what can I correct it? I omit the S here. Okay. So the answer it would be does Iyad like cola. So I put it in the wrong way to forget to remember you in the exam that I know it, that I do it in wrong way and I correct it. Okay. Here is Mona is at home. So Malak and Mona and Malak. Here we have S. So Mona and Malak is what is plural. So I replaced is by what? By R. So I will write it to you. Mona and Malak. And the famous name of proper name must be a name of person, must be written in capital letter. You take care, grade 3. You take a punctuate and no, the names must be written in capital letter, not in small letter, okay? If you write it in capital letter, minus half mark, okay? Minus half mark, you collect many marks and you omit many marks, okay? You must take care when you answer in the exam. You consider, you concentrate when you answer. The names must be written in capital letter. Don't forget the question mark if you have a question form. When you do a range and you have a question sentence, must put a question mark at the end of the sentence. All these notes must be take care when you answer. Okay, Mona and Malak, here it will be are at home. Are at home because they are plural. Okay. I think you are tired and I'm tired also. Today we will stop here. Next class I will continue the rest of this unit. I stop here today. Next class I continue. I resume the rest of this unit. I hope to benefit from this video today and enjoy our video. Today I stop here in this part. Next class I will continue. Thanks a lot. Until you meet again. Goodbye.